So I'm looking for the best budget headphone to get, to listen to music, watch movies, and also, edit my videos. And I stumbled upon this. Yes, this is the Soundcore by Anker Life Q30 wireless noise cancelling headphone. So today I am going to be unboxing it and also telling you what I think about the sound quality, the comfortability, short, everything about getting this, Life Q30, this year, right, as the best budget headphone. Okay, so right here it says it's a multi-mode noise cancellation headphone. It has a 40-hour playtime, transparency mode, and fast pairing. Guys, this 40 hours playtime, man, it's actually nice. I can listen to music or watch movies for almost 2 days straight. Wow, this is actually very nice. Okay, here we have more, features, more specs on this headphone. It says high-res sound, built-in mic for calls, 40-hour playtime, 5 minutes charge is equals to 4-hour playtime. So once I unbox this thing, I just charge it for 5 minutes. It says it's going to give me 4 hours playtime to show it also charges very fast. Wow, that is very nice. Fast pairing and watch for transparency mode. Okay, so what's inside the box? Let's check it out right now. I also got this headset stand. Yeah, so I also got it so that once I'm done listening to music, I just drop my headset over this. I'm going to unbox both of them and let's see. Yeah, where will I start? Okay. I guess I should have gotten something, will I say, sharper to do this, but I've done it. All right. So this is it here. This is the manual, and this is the headphone inside this packaging. Let's first of all open the manual, because this is actually my first time getting type of headphones, so I guess I would need some guide. But while you guys are watching this video, I'm not sure you would need anything. I'm going to explain everything for you guys. So talking about the support, the app, it has an app. Wow, the charging, powering on and off, pairing, dual pairing. This dual pairing, it means you can connect with, let's say, your phone, and like I have my MacBook behind me over there, so I can connect my phone and my MacBook. Then if I'm listening to, maybe I'm editing videos on my MacBook and a call comes in on my phone, I can quickly switch it to my phone to pick the call using the headsets. No stress. NFC and noise cancellation. Wow. Okay, so let's see this. Now, I really love the packaging of this Soundcore Life Q30 because it's actually very portable. Like, let's say I want to travel and I need my headset with me, right? I wouldn't be thinking of how best to package it because it has its own packaging and it has this kind of denim feel. And if you're very, very durable and very, it has a very nice quality. Yeah, so I give it a thumbs up for this. This is packaging, very nice. And here is the headsets. Wow, all packaged, looking very sleek. So this is it over here, and right here we have, okay, this is the cable. This is the auxiliary cable, right? If you want to listen to music, you use this. Like if you want to use the Bluetooth and all on your phone, and this is the cord to also charge it. This is Type A to Type C cable, right? So we're packaging this, and inside here this is the foam and another foam so that your headphone won't scratch. This is why I love the packaging of this Life Q30 by Soundcore Anker, right? Yeah, so the packaging is just very, very delicate to ensure that nothing happens to this your headphone. Yes, so let's put it on and let's see how it feels. Okay, this should go like this. don't mind I'm wearing, a face cap, but guys, this is actually very comfortable. Like putting this right here on my, on my head right here, it's actually very comfortable. I remember using one of my brother's, headphone, and just a few minutes, guys, my ears were already hot. So I love how comfortable this phone over here is, and this is also another reason why I love it. So right here is the NFC, touch feature, Android phone, and touch for transparency, touch for 1 second. So let's just do this. Okay, and here are the buttons to increase the volume, to reduce it, to pause and play your music, to turn it on, the NC, the noise cancellation over here, and also this is to charge it. I remember by the right hand side is where you can tap to go to transparency mode. So let me get my phone so that I can connect it. Let us see how fast it is going to connect. Let me first of all turn it on. Okay, it's made one sound as I was turning it on. Yes. So let me just connect this microphone over here. And guys, it's connected already. It's already connected. So right now I am going to be, playing in music. I'll play different music for you guys, bars and also, normal music, so that I can get the quality of the sound and let you know what I think about it. So where's my Spotify? Let me just move all this from my desk over here, so it is going to look neat. Yes, let me just shift all this over here. Okay, I haven't unboxed the headphone stand yet, but I'll do that very soon. So let me just go to, I want to go and play Jerick's song. I love his music because of the bars he uses. Jerick. Wow, guys, this sound is very, very, very loud, and I can feel everything as I'm listening to the music. So right now, why playing the music that has bars, right? It gives a very nice sound quality. So let me quickly go and check. Let's say on my lead, all this, cool music. Let me see how that one is also, right? Which of Omale's song should I go? Let's go with Bad Influence. Man, guys, this is actually a very wonderful, headset in terms of the sound quality, right? So at this point, over here it says it has built-in mics for call. Now I also need to test this and also tell you how it is, right? Because I have an earbud, and when I'm using to make call, the other person can't really hear me. My voice is muffled, right? So I am going to also test this and let you know what I think about the sound quality also. Okay. Hello, Papa. Can you hear me clearly? I don't know if you can just help me record this call. I'm testing that headset, so I just want to record the call and then I'll do the self. Okay, wait, you can, my voice is okay now. Okay, no problem. No, the quality makes sense. Oh, the coppers are me. On my CM. I will call you back that I should correct like this. I'm going to shoot it, so I'll just call it after sharp. Alright, so I'm done with the call, and as you can see, I wanted to record the call, but the person at that end, could not record it based on where they were at that point in time. But he said he could hear me clearly. My, voice was okay and all right. Yeah, so also the mic when you're making call is also very good, right? So this is also another thumbs up for this Soundcore by Anker Life Q30. Now, right here on the box, it says it has different mode, which is the transport, the indoor, and the outdoor. So I had to kind of make research about this when I was seeing this because even though I wanted to get a budget headphone, right, I wanted to make sure that the one I'm getting, it is also value for my money, right? Yes, which I'll talk about the price later on in this video. Now, when let's say you're on the flights, the whole sound around and everything is going to make sure that you can clearly hear the music or the video you're playing. And if you are indoor, for instance, because when you're inside the house like I am right now, there is no much noise, right? So it's also going to adjust, right, to the environment. Or even if you're outdoor, so what this does is to just adjust to your environment. If you're outdoor, maybe you're walking on the road, cars blowing horns and the rest of them, right? It's also going to adjust so that you can still get to hear your music properly. And guys, I didn't even test the transparency mode, which they said I should do that by holding the right for 1 second. Let me do that. Okay, so it's wow, I can hear myself right now. It's the left hand side you're going to hold for 1 second. I'm trying the right hand side. Or did I misplace? Oh, I need to the right hand side, sorry. So I put on the right over here and the left over here. So it's meant to be like this actually. Yes, and before I turn this on, I could not even hear myself talking properly, right? But I can now hear myself talking as I turn this on. So let's say, for example, I'm listening to music. Let me turn this on. Okay, so I'm listening to music and I can still hear myself. And I guess when I was listening to music without turning on the transparency mode, probably I was maybe talking too loud. I'm not sure, but after I'm done shooting this video, I'll go and check it out myself to see if I was talking too loud then, and how I'm talking at this point where I'm on transparency mode, because I can clearly hear myself and I am not shouting right now, or I think I'm not shouting. Yeah, so this is also another feature I like, which is just, let me hold it again for 1 second. Okay, now it has turned back the noise cancellation and I can barely hear myself, right? So what else? It has, like I said, the fast pairing, the touch for transparency, right? Built-in mic for calls, high resolution sounds, and all this, guys. This is actually a very nice headphone to get. Now, if you're wondering if you should get this, headphone this year, or whenever you're watching this video, right? So I would say yes. Now, why do I say so? First of all, the comfortability. I love how it feels when I'm placing it on my head over here. Let me even put it on my neck, right? Right, it's on my neck and it still feels very comfortable because the foam behind it, right? It still feels very comfortable while I'm putting this on. So for the comfortability, the fluffy folds around it, right? It is a nice one for me. And also when it comes to the packaging, yes, because it's times like this where you're traveling, okay, you would not want anything to happen to your headphone, so it has its own packaging, which I am not sure other headphones, or I've seen other headphones do this, right? I'm not certain. They just come in a box and you go find your packaging by yourself. You get, so this is also another reason why I love this, right? Now also the sound quality, both when I'm listening to music or when I'm making call, is also another, because man, that's one of the main reasons why you're getting a headphone, to get quality sound while listening to music, or even while making phone calls, which some other headphones or even earbuds don't really have. And it has active noise cancellation and also transparency mode, which I also tested out, and it's actually also very good. The quality is just wonderful. And now in terms of the price, within my video I talked about getting the best budget headphone. So how much was this? Well, I got this around $50. Yes. However, if you're in Nigeria watching this video, so there's one thing about Nigerians, right? The price of dollar affects how much you buy things, because I paid 86,000 naira for this headphone. Yes, but when I went to collect it, because I just paid for it, and like 1 week after I went to go and get the headphone, right? So when I went to go and get it, they told me I was lucky enough to pay the 86,000 naira, because as of when I went, it's already 90,000 naira due to the increase of the price in dollar and of Like, wow. So when you're watching this video, I don't know how much the dollar is going to be, and if it's still going to be, let's say, below 100,000 naira, right? Is what I think it should be, because I also hope dollar does not increase that fast, man. Yes, but if you are, let's say, watching this video from another country, like I said, it's, let's say, around $52 to $53, right? It's just around that range. You can check it, let's say, maybe on Amazon or all these online stores to get it. I'm going to look for links to put in the description box below so that it can be easier for you to go and purchase it, right? Right. So let me now test this headset, because I didn't even talk about this headset stand which I got. Let's say I want to go to maybe bed or something. I'm done editing for the day. I'm done listening to music. Instead of putting on the table, which might scratch, and I don't want to put that inside this bag, I got this headphone stand, whatever they call it. Yeah. And it's actually more of detachable. That's why I like it. It's very portable, which is also travel friendly. So it's not as if I just got it straight up and I must carry it that way. So I can fix it by myself, as you can see right now. See by myself. And it's done very, very easy. Okay, so this is how it is, guys. Look at how very portable this is. This is actually very nice. Yeah. So you need to be going for this, Soundcore by Anker Life Q30. Then for me, it's a yes, right? It's actually a yes. So if you're looking for a budget headphone to get around the 52 to 50 that I talked about, right? Then this is one you should just check out. Okay. So guys, on my channel here, I talk about everything there. You can talk about iPhone, Samsung, MacBooks, Windows laptops, and all. So do not forget or do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, so see you guys in my next video as we discover the smart online tips.